Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, June 15 to 17, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv or YouTube.com/Mr. Typhoon. And don't also forget to click on the like button for every video that we release. And also, click on the notification bell for the latest update on our channel. Let's begin with our update. Here's the great latest graphs out for today, Wednesday until tomorrow, Thursday. There's no major weather system affecting the Philippine Islands as of this time, except for the local thunderstorms that will prevail in various sections of the country, especially in the afternoon or evening. We have here a surface trough moving further towards the north, and the frontal system or major front is still there over the southern portions of China, Taiwan, and the southern islands of Japan. Watch out for possible lightning strikes, landslides, and flash floods when we have a severe thunderstorm occurring in your respective areas. Outside of Palau, we have here a long line of the intertropical convergence zone from the south of Palau all the way across Micronesia and into the Marshall Islands. No developing tropical disturbances or LPAs or even tropical cyclone is in sight for the next 5 to 10 days based on the computer models. Here's the fast animation. As you can see, as the afternoon progresses, developing thunderstorms can be observed across Luzon and portions of the Visayas and smaller areas of Mindanao. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation as of this evening, there are still thunderstorms across Ilocos region and some portions of central Luzon, including southern Tagalog provinces and Metro Manila, and also some portions of the Bicol region, western Visayas, and the southernmost point of Mindanao. And if you take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days through Saturday, there will still be afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across Luzon and also over portions of the Visayas, Mimaropa, and Mindanao. And on Friday afternoon, same situation will be expected in various sections of the country as well as on Saturday. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast through Saturday, most of the rainfall will be concentrated along central Luzon, the portions of northern Luzon that is over Ilocos region and the Cordillera region, and also over Mindanao, including Davao region, areas of Bukidnon, Sorsogon, and Zamboanga Peninsula. And if we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days, by tomorrow, Thursday afternoon, the wind will become to variable in various sections of the country, becoming more easterlies across eastern Visayas and northern Mindanao. And on Friday afternoon, we expect more variable winds or calm conditions to variable winds will be expected in various sections of the country, with some easterly winds over in northern Quezon, Bicol region, and eastern Visayas. By Saturday afternoon, we expect still calm conditions with variable winds across the country, with light easterlies over eastern Visayas and the Bicol region, and some southerly wind flow across the northeastern portions of Luzon, that's over northern Cagayan. And if we take a look now on the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook of the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, this is valid for the next 2 weeks, issued every Wednesday. So for week 1, valid June 15 to June 21st, the Philippine Islands will remain silent and quiet, with only the usual tropical rain showers and thunderstorms, becoming more drier with less below average rainfall across Luzon and Mimaropa. And on week 2, valid June 22 to June 28, the Philippine Islands will remain normal. So normal climate will be expected, with afternoon and evening rain showers and thunderstorms, and good weather in the morning hours. So far, that's the latest for this Wednesday to Friday, and we will return on Friday to give you more updates on the weather, especially this coming weekend. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.